Okay, so first of all, this exercise is kind of like a torture for your standing leg. You have to see if you can really keep yourself on your legs. So when you look in the mirror, ear, shoulder, hip, all right? And you can do this as much as you like, all right? Now also, this we're going to do the foot. So quickly, battement dégagé, and as soon as you come into fifth, you're going to do a little petit passé. You're going to jump it and plié and back, okay? So I feel almost like it bounces and plié. And then we're going to the side, jump, bounce and plié, and then you can just rest that. So we'll do it again, all right? So let's do from here. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, the rest. So you're going to do that twice. Then you can relax your legs, because you're going to make a big circle. You're going to go all the way down, you're going to go around, you're going to go to the back, and you're going to come into plié, plié, and look in, and you can round your back here as well, right? When you do this kind of stretch, you can relax your entire body, pretty much, right? Except you have to use your stomach here. Whenever you bend back, circle around, and try to go all the way down. Okay, you can sit, let this go, don't worry about this, relax your legs, right? And then you're going to come up to the other side, like that. Right, so you want to think again, yeah? And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, 1, and 2, rest. Try to cross, try to cross your leg as much as you can. But again, from here, don't pick it up, right? Push with your foot, push with the foot, all right? That's what we're doing it, all right? And then keep your eye on your supporting side as well. Okay, all right, let's let Melissa do it. Now we do nice and sharp. 7, go. And 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and in. And so it's all accent in, and fifth, and fifth, and fifth, and fifth, and fifth. Okay, because now you can relax your legs. Go, and. So this is completely different feeling now. This is all out there, right? And breathe out. But when you do the battement de petit passé, it's all under you, it's all in. Okay, ready? And 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. Right. So you're really attacking the movement. And in, and in, and in, and in. Okay, now you can see, you can relax this part. Go, reach, and just swinging around. And you're moving the airway, push. And then we're going to do it again. So you have to really need your hips forward, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. So you're always watching in the mirror, not to let go. That's because these days dancing gets quicker and quicker. So you need quick feet, quick movements, and a strong supporting side. Okay. And once more, and you can breathe out. And 1, and 1, and 1. So you're feeling all these fifth positions, right? And in, and in, and in, and in, and in. Right. Now you can relax. Easy legs, easy feet. Just when you bend back, hold your stomach in so you don't hurt yourself, right? Go. Right. Right. Good. And then just always return to the starting position. Arm down. Number 1. Good.